Hello, viewers. Today I was telling about can you view Instagram account without an account? Can we see it will work or not? For that, I was deleting my Instagram account, uninstall app. I was deleting, and I was shared a link to my friend. It's a Instagram reel. I was click on Instagram reel, so it was directly gone to a Microsoft Web, and wait for a few seconds. It was going. It was work or not? We will see. Now we will see. You can see reels like that, but we didn't have an account, so you can use Instagram account but without logging like this. When we did not have Instagram app in our mobile or Android phone or iPhone, you can see like this. Thank you. It will work, but sometimes. Thank you.